Igbo Area TV, on the Igbo.
Hello, I am Azoka Ozo OJ. You're welcome. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Also click the bell icon so that you get our update each time it drops. The North has launched their own version of Amotekun, and this one is called Shege Kafasa. According to the North, those who are behind this is to fight insecurity. It's not a tribal kind of police, just like Amotekun founders said. Also, it's not about ethnic cleansing, but to keep their area safe. And the North also said the same thing. The reason why this outfit is coming into place is to fight insecurity, to help resolve herders, farmers disputes, and to fight certain crimes. Actually, Operation Shege Kafasa is not yet fully established. They are going to still work on the legal parts of it and ratify it and get it out. So, according to the North, the Operation Shege Kafasa is not anti any ethnicity. The idea is to fight crime and crime alone. You remember, ever since Southwest founded Amotekun, other regions are considering their own security outfits. Now it's not just about state security outfit, but regional security outfits, and these are important. According to several people that have commented on Amotekun, and actually every state has their own security outfit. It has come to a time it's going to be regional. It's so important. Regional force is stronger. A state cannot combat crime. You can keep crime off your borders, but because of other surrounding states. So, and considering the nature of the crime these days, it looks like ethnic cleansing. So, it has to be a unified action, which is just beyond the state, but a particular region. That is why they made it a regional thing. And the North will not be watching. They had to do this according to reports. Please give us your thought on this. The North has decided to do like the Southwest. But this time, there is something to note. You didn't hear Northeast doing theirs separately. You didn't hear Northwest doing their own separately. You didn't hear North Central doing their own separately. This is the North having their own security outfit. But in the South here, we have Southwest doing this, and South is planning to do this. Also, South is planning to do this. What do you think? Should the South have a unified security outfit for the whole South, or should it be split just like we're having right now? Tell us what you think, please. Ebonyi State won't take Bakassi Boys for Southeast security outfits. Ebonyi State government has declared that the dreaded, fearful Bakassi Boys will not be part of the planned Southeast regional security outfit, which will commence soon. Governor Mahi said this while he announced that Southeast governors are taking steps to start their own joint security outfits for the zone. The region has also, like other regions, been battling to combat that increasing cases of kidnapping, robbery, farmers' herders clashes, cultism, and other criminal acts. And the governors of the region said, when the line of Amotekun is a good move. Umahi said this while the OYC, Ohaneze Youth Council, has asked for them to make the dreaded outfit Bakassi Boys part of the security, proposed Saudi security. Omai has said through his commissioner, Stanley Okore-Maga, that the state rejected such moves, that it won't work. We don't allow and we cannot accept Bakassi Boys in Ebonyi State. We have been running a neighborhood security watch, and the law has approved of it. He said name doesn't matter, but the work the security outfit do. So it has a structure that is like that of Bakassi Boys. He went further to say that the federal government is doing their best, but the best is not enough. The effort should be redoubled. security issue is very important one. The life and properties of the citizens of the country had to be secured. The president of the country has not really done well, according to Umahi, but this security outfit that they are trying to start will complement that. So the Southeast is kick off soon with its own regional security outfit. Governor Hope Uzodinma has 2 weeks to vacate office. That is according to BZF. In reaction to Supreme Court's judgment, which was delivered January 14th, 2020, where it declared Hope Uzodinma as governor of Imo State, the Biafran Zionist Federation, BZF, through its president, Barrister Benjamin Onwuka, has asked Governor Hope Uzodinma to vacate office within 2 weeks. He went further to say that Imola did not vote for Mr. Hope Uzodinma in the last gubernatorial election held in Imo State. Barrister Benjamin Onwuka said, "What is happening in Imo affects every Igbo man. They clearly chose their governor through the ballot, and he is Emeka Ihedioha. So, they are at loss on how someone will jump from 4th position to 1st position through the magic calculation of the court. So we have it on a good authority that Uzodinma was brought in as part of a game plan to actualize the Islamization and Ruga agenda, but it will not stand. He has 2 weeks to vacate that seat and allow the rightful occupier." Obasanjo made grave mistake to include Imo, Abia, Ondo in Niger Delta region. That's according to INDS Director Ektepe. The Director of Institute for Nigeria Delta Studies, INDS, of the Niger Delta University, Prof. Ambili Atekpe, has said former President of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, made a grave mistake when he included Imo, Abia, and Ondo states as member states when he created the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. Professor Etepe explained further that it is an unarguable fact that Imo, Abia, and Ondo states are crude oil producing states, but that they do not fall into the geographical region referred to as Niger Delta and therefore should not be benefiting from funds specifically earmarked for the development of the region. Wow. Etepe said this while he was presenting a paper towards good governance, rethinking the Ijaw nation's agenda in the past in Nigeria during a one-day intra-medical workshop organized by the Oloibri Youngster Foundation in partnership with the Environmental Rights Action, ERA, in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital. Okay, the oil in their area is also used for the upkeep of Nigeria, and want them to be removed as Niger Delta, and they shouldn't get the allocations for Niger Delta, yet you explore that area. It's funny. See the millionaire that is set to float an airline. Dr. Obiora Okonkwo is set to float an airline. Another Igbo businessman is set to launch a private airline business. He is no other than the 55-year-old accomplished entrepreneur Dr. Obiora Okonkwo. A Russian-trained political scientist has just acquired 2 aircraft for a new airline called United Nigerian Airline. Dr. Okonkwo was born in Gombe, northeast Nigeria. He's a native of Ogidi in Idemili North local government area of Anambra State. He's an accomplished entrepreneur and a popular as owner of the breathtaking Abuja event center called The Dome. He also chairs the board of various companies. One of them is The Dome Entertainment and Hospitality Limited, etc. The company is an umbrella organization comprising of Summit Restaurant and Lounge, the Camelot Spa, the Body Trust Health and Fitness Bar. Others are the Francis Hotel, the Bowling Alley, Twin Cafe and Bakery, Nonny's Pizza and more, Solicom Engineering Limited, PAS, owners and operators of United Nigeria, Rokada Security Company Limited, among others, with a combined employee strength of 600, including Nigerians and foreigners. He's also the founder of Nigerian Belgium Business Forum, among other business fora. Wow. Thumbs up, a good development. Innoson states reason for rejecting the new company logo made by a designer. Remember that sometimes last year, a brand designer took to his Twitter handle to project a new company logo for the Innoson Group, which project the image of the company in a new light. Nigerians went crazy over the beautified logo, and with many tweets and retweets, the young designer, also Larry Farouk, tweeted that he had been invited by the CEO of the Innoson Group. Our hopes of seeing Innoson vehicles in new legendary logo, however, it's cut short as the designer had taken to his Twitter handle to explain to the beautiful people of Nigeria that the CEO had stated reasons why his logo doesn't fit into the company's vision and mission presently. According to Farouk's tweet, he said that the CEO said the company is still running with a particular target which hasn't outlived its vision and mission. That when they launch a new target, perhaps that they would incorporate the new logo. Here are the tweets, you're seeing it. So we'd like to know what you think about this. Everyone has a way he runs his or her business. From the start, Innoson had a goal, and perhaps right now they are yet to find a place for the other logo. Please tell us what you think.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.